Hi everyone, in this video we will be looking into challenge number 2 of K8s LAN Party Kubernetes challenges. So the name of the challenge is finding neighbors, and this is the challenge statement. Sometimes it seems we are the only ones around, but we should always be on guard against invisible sidecars reporting sensitive secrets. And so there is a link which opens. So you can read about it. Basically, sidecar are containers which runs alongside your main container. Uh, so they are basically supposed to do some other work, like for example logging or doing monitoring or things like that. So basically they run along with your main container on which your application is running. So that is the brief overview of what is sidecar container. Now um, we 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 start with the normal enumeration. So for enumerating Unix based OS or containers or anything which is running over Unix, um, I usually use linps for that. So linps is basically a enumeration script. You can directly search over Google linps GitHub, go over the GitHub repo, go to releases, and you can download this from here. And our container is already having internet access. So let me show you that as well. So you can see um, internet is working basically. Example.com. So yeah. So basically our container is having internet access. So you can directly wget this linpiece, wget and paste the link. It will be downloaded. Now I already did that previously, so let me show you once again. You copy the link. Either you can use curl or wget. So let's use wget for example. So it is downloaded here. Now next thing is you need to give execute permissions to this, because this is a bash script, and now you can directly run linpiece.sh like this. Okay, so I have already done these things. Now in the linpiece output you will be seeing a section for container capabilities. So container capabilities, what are capabilities? Capabilities are just basically a group of system calls for a specific operation. Like for example, um, for in this particular case, the capabilities are capnet admin and capnet raw. So this allows you to basically monitor the uh, internet traffic, or basically any traffic going over the Ethernet port, Ethernet interface. So there are different types of capabilities. These two are for networking. There are others for let's say mounting file system. Um, then so there are different capabilities. You can go Google that if you really want to. For us, I mean, these are the two capabilities which our container is having: capnet admin and capnet raw. You can also do this manually if you are not lazy. So if you see, this is the output, and you copy this, then run cap sh minus minus decode and paste the output. So you can see um, capnet admin and capnet raw. Now you can like go over Copilot or any other API AI to know more about these. So basically, you can see this is it is telling for capnet raw. Like your container can use raw sockets, which allows it to send and receive packets at the network layer. This is often necessary for network sniffing tools. So network sniffing tools are basically tools which allow you to monitor traffic which is going from your machine or coming to your machine. For example, Wireshark or TCP dump. Um, so let's see whether these tools are in present in our operating system or in our container or not. So for that, because this is a CLI based, so Wireshark will not work even if it is installed because it requires graphical interface. So let's check whether TCP dump is there or not. So yes, TCP dump is available, and anyone can run this basically. So if you see, root is having execute permissions. Um, the the group is also having execute permissions, and others are also having execute permissions. So basically, anyone can execute this binary. So that is what we need for capturing the traffic. And for capturing the traffic, this is the command. Either you can uh, store the output in a pcap file and then analyze that. So in the first scenario, when you are storing the output in a pcap file, you need to transfer the pcap file to your system for analyzing, or you can directly run tcp dump minus v and it will show you the packets in verbose way. For example, here you can see we are able to see http requests uh, directly in the terminal, and if you look closely, this is the flag. So I mean, this is how you will solve the challenge. um, you just need to know like what are capabilities and what are the capabilities of your current shell, and yeah, I mean, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.